Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. In recent years, there has been a notable increase in the number of Indian citizens renouncing their citizenship and migrating to countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. This trend has been fueled by a variety of factors including economic opportunities, political climate, quality of life, and the desire for personal security. 1. Economic opportunities and career growth. One of the primary drivers for Indians giving up their citizenship is the promise of better economic opportunities abroad. Countries like the US, UK, and Canada offer superior career prospects, higher salaries, and access to international job markets. For highly skilled workers, especially in fields such as technology, medicine, and engineering, these nations are seen as destinations where they can grow professionally, secure high-paying jobs, and climb the corporate ladder. 1. Example: many Indian professionals in the tech sector, particularly those working in software development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence, often move to the US or Canada where the tech industry thrives. 1. In Silicon Valley, California, for example, Indians make up a significant percentage of the workforce in top tech companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. 1. These individuals often obtain permanent residency or citizenship through employment-based immigration programs, allowing them to settle and enjoy the financial and professional benefits of the region. 2. Economic factors. While India's economy has been growing, it is still considered a developing country, with high levels of income disparity and fewer opportunities in certain sectors compared to Western nations. 2. The economic freedom and professional growth offered by countries like the US, UK, and Canada continue to attract skilled workers from India. 2. Political and social stability. Political factors also play a significant role in shaping migration trends. Over the past decade, India has seen increasing political polarization, social unrest, and concerns over religious and caste-based discrimination. In this context, many individuals, particularly from marginalized communities or those concerned about their social security, have opted to migrate to countries that they perceive as politically stable, with strong democratic institutions and protection of individual rights. 1. Example: the rise of nationalism and religious intolerance in India has led many secular-minded Indians to seek refuge in countries like Canada and the UK, which are known for their inclusive policies and protection of human rights. 1. For instance, many Sikh and Muslim individuals who feel alienated or unsafe in India have migrated to Canada, where multiculturalism is celebrated. 2. Political climate. Countries like Canada and the UK are viewed as models of political and social stability, where rights to free speech, religious freedom, and protection against discrimination are firmly enshrined in law. 2. This sense of security and the ability to live without fear of persecution or marginalization is a significant motivator for many Indians considering renouncing their citizenship. 3. Education and research opportunities. Education is another key factor driving the migration of Indians to the US, UK, and Canada. These countries are home to some of the world's best universities and research institutions, offering world-class education that is not only recognized globally but also provides better job prospects. The high demand for quality higher education, combined with the availability of student visas and postgraduate work permits, makes these countries attractive to Indian students. 1. Example: Indian students often migrate to the US, UK, and Canada to pursue higher education in fields such as engineering, medicine, business, and the arts. 1. Many students who complete their education in these countries choose to stay and work, applying for permanent residency or citizenship. 1. After acquiring their degrees, these individuals often find lucrative job offers, making it more feasible to give up Indian citizenship in exchange for the benefits offered by these countries. 2. Global recognition of degrees. The value of a degree from a prestigious Western institution carries significant weight in the global job market, offering greater career flexibility and the possibility of international mobility. 2. This is another reason why Indians are increasingly seeking education and permanent residency options abroad. 4. Healthcare and quality of life. Another significant factor influencing the decision to migrate is the superior healthcare and overall quality of life in countries like the US, UK, and Canada. While India has made strides in improving healthcare in urban areas, many people still seek better medical facilities, advanced healthcare technology, and a higher standard of living available in developed nations. 1. Example: Indian families with elderly parents or young children may prefer to move to the US, UK, or Canada, where there is easier access to top-tier healthcare services and medical insurance. 1. The better public health infrastructure, clean environment, and safer cities often appeal to individuals seeking an improved quality of life. 2. Healthcare system. The healthcare systems in the US, UK, and Canada are among the best in the world, with greater accessibility to healthcare services, advanced medical research, and a high standard of medical care. 2. For many Indians, these factors significantly contribute to their decision to leave India and settle abroad. 5. Path to permanent residency and citizenship. The US, UK, and Canada have well-established pathways to permanent residency and citizenship, which are particularly appealing to Indians looking for long-term security abroad. Programs such as Canada's Express Entry System, the US Green Card Lottery, and the UK's Tier 2 visa program offer clear pathways for individuals with specific skills to obtain permanent residency and citizenship. 1. Example: the Express Entry System in Canada allows skilled workers to apply for permanent residency based on their work experience, education, and language proficiency. 1. Indian professionals, particularly in fields such as IT, healthcare, and engineering, have taken advantage of these immigration pathways, allowing them to settle in Canada permanently. 2. Citizenship benefits. Obtaining citizenship in the US, UK, or Canada provides a range of benefits including access to better education, healthcare, social security, and the ability to live and work freely within these countries and the European Union, for the UK and Canada. 2. These benefits play a critical role in Indians' decisions to renounce their citizenship. 6. Dual citizenship issues and legal constraints. India does not allow dual citizenship, which forces Indians who have settled in countries like the US, UK, and Canada to choose between retaining their Indian citizenship and acquiring the citizenship of their host country. Given the benefits offered by foreign citizenship, many Indians are choosing to renounce their Indian citizenship in favor of their new country. 1. Example: an Indian citizen who has lived in the US for over a decade may find that the benefits of holding US citizenship, such as access to social security, healthcare, and political rights, outweigh the desire to retain Indian citizenship. 1. As a result, they may choose to renounce their Indian nationality. 2. Legal constraints. Since India does not permit dual citizenship, individuals must make the difficult decision to renounce their Indian citizenship in favor of acquiring the citizenship of the country they now call home. Conclusion: the decision of many Indians to give up their citizenship and move to countries like the US, UK, and Canada is influenced by a combination of factors, including better economic opportunities, access to world-class education and healthcare, political and social stability, and the legal necessity of renouncing Indian citizenship in favor of foreign nationality. Thank you for watching this video.